What's good, YouTube? This is your boy Sharky252, and today I am going to do a all-inclusive video as far as the what's under your hood challenge and what's in your trunk challenge. And I'm gonna do the trunk first. So I got my sub 15-inch kicker, piece of crap, but it does what it does. Got all my dirty towels in here. Got this random, it's a bunch of randomness, but got that in here. Got my old ass beat solos. Don't use those. It's a lot of stuff I'm missing in here. Got my Adams detail spray. I got some Ultimate Quick Wax, Goo Gone, just in case. You never know. Tires. I'll spray the tire shine on and go over it with this. You already know. Toolbox. And apparently I've been practicing some place kicking. I don't know why this is in here, but my boxing gloves for whenever I don't feel like lifting weights. I'll go to a different gym on at Fort Knox and go hit the bag and do laps and then hit the bag again, just try to get my cardio up. And you see my piece of crap amp back there, but it does its job, you know what I mean? I wanted a little knock in the back just to make the music play. And I never mentioned on my videos, but when I first got the car, speakers in the back crackle, snap, pop. I mean, it was crazy loud, but ever since I got the speakers installed, haven't had any issues. Here we go under the hood. Got my reservoir cover from JLT Performance with a ScatPack emblem on it. I have a K&N drop-in air filter in here. Got the Billet Technologies oil catch can in octane red. I'm going to hydro dip my valve cover soon. Not sure when, but hopefully soon. And as you can see, I pulled that number 25 fuse to let it reset. I'm about to put it back in anyway. But that's all I got. That's my what's in your trunk and what's under your hood challenge. Alright, catch you on the next one.